What is going on, everybody? This is day one of Jarvis.ai Intensified workshop. The whole goal of this workshop is to learn how to make $100 to $500 a day with Jarvis.ai. This is completely possible, as well as the goal is to make enough revenue so you can pay for Jarvis.ai before the trial ends. So day one Intensified workshop, this is the goal, your goal for today. We're gonna start doing organic Facebook traffic in groups. The product we're selling is either we're going to do high ticket affiliate, high ticket consulting, or high ticket services done with you or done for you. That is the whole goal. That is the 30,000 foot view of how we're going to make money. I'm going to show you exactly the steps and processes you need to start doing this. We need to jump over to Facebook really quick and start identifying groups of people that we can help. So these people already know that they have a problem. They're in the Facebook groups. So let's say we want to find people that need help with SEO, right? So let's say we're a freelancer or we've got some affiliate site or affiliate course that we can offer these people. So these people are already in the groups. They already know they have the problem of, hey, I need more help with SEO or whatever it is. So we can help them by answering questions and delivering value. So let's say, our goal here is to build a system where we're an authority figure in. So people need to like, know, and trust us before. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna identify 5 groups of potential targets. So if you're in the keto niche, go to keto, right? You're looking for people that are in your specific market. We're gonna look, and our goal is to answer 5 to 10 questions in each group. So if you look at this one, they've got a content optimization survey. So say we know a lot about a conversion rate optimization or content optimization, we're gonna answer this question, right? And then we're gonna keep doing this over and over again. So even if you don't know the question, we can jump over to Jarvis. So Jarvis has templates. And if you jump all the way down, Quora, they've got the Quora answers. And legitimately, this will almost answer anything. So I just started another channel about tree service marketing because I've got experience in that. So I answered this earlier. It says, how do we make a dream customer avatar for a tree service, right? So I'm just gonna do that. And then you're gonna put your question in. You're gonna take the question from Facebook or Quora or wherever the question's from, and then we're gonna answer it, okay? And then Jarvis is gonna automate all of this. So answer right here, right? So suppose you want to find the best way to reach customers that are most likely to hire you. A great way to do this is by analyzing personas and customer avatar. That's pretty generic. Before I was talking about gender, ethnicity, pay, positioning, stuff like that, demographic as well. So we're gonna take this and then we can just do that, right? So we need to do that 5 to 10 questions in every group. So the goal is to get people to see my name or see your name and your picture, okay? That's the whole goal. So people start noticing you and they'll go back to your profile, right? With your profile, you want on the header section or your hero section, you want a clear call to action. So Goose and Son, he's a huge funnel builder. I think he delivers one of the greatest funnel experiences you can have. So if you see this, right? So he's got it's very prompt, it's very colorful. So his call to action is to get his 37 funnels for $37, right? So if you look at it, and then in the description here, he's got all of his offers, right? So what you can do is you can do the exact same thing. You can go to Canva and make your own, realistically, and it's free. And then so in his bio, his goal is to get you back on his email list. So this is his front end offer. It's $37 for 37 funnel templates. The templates are great, by the way. I have them as well. But so what I would suggest is you push people to your group, right? So make a group of people, and then you're gonna start reaching out to these people. So let's go back to our SEO example. So we're gonna answer all these questions, and we're gonna start dropping value posts, right? And we can use Jarvis for this as well, right? So we're gonna go back to the templates, and then I like the long form, and then we're gonna start from scratch, and then write some tips about SEO, and I'm gonna do Control Enter, and then Jarvis is gonna give us some tips that we can give value to. Another great way to find more content is to go on, Answer Socrates or Answer the Public and start grabbing questions, right? Socrates. All right, so I did this earlier actually, and I was running no questions found. Okay, so if you're, in the affiliate marketing niche and you're trying to get people into your affiliate program, you can go grab these questions and start answering them, right? So these are common questions that people that want to learn about affiliate marketing might have questions about it, right? And we're just providing more value. And then once we start doing this, right, we start throwing, 5 to 10 questions, answering 5 to 10 questions a day. These people get to like, know, and trust, and then it'll open up, right? And then we're gonna send them to our bio, because they're gonna come back to your profile. They're gonna want to see what you're about, okay, realistically, right? So they're gonna come back to your profile, check it out, right? And then, hey, you're gonna offer a lead magnet, or you're gonna, hey, come to my group and get, X, Y, and Z. Give them some result that they're gonna get from your Facebook, right? And then we're gonna have them congregate together. So the best thing about this is people are looking for connections and they're looking for help. The more personalized help you can give them, the more value you can give them as well, and the higher the price. Okay, so I suggest doing high ticket. This might seem scary at first. If I'm losing you, do me a huge favor and let me know where I'm losing you at, right? So if you've got any comments, leave them down in the description below and I will definitely help you. We're gonna congregate these people together, and people are missing connection, right? They want a, in. And you can help these people by pushing them onto your, your email list and your Facebook group, and start answering more personalized questions, one-on-ones. And if you get on camera, right, so that builds authority almost automatically, right? We're gonna go back to these Facebook groups, and then we're just gonna start delivering value, right? So you can hit up the admin of these groups and be like, hey, do you need help with anything? Or hey, I made this content, is it all right? Say you made a video about SEO Surfer, right? Like a demo or whatever, right? And then DM them like, hey, is it all right if I post this, and hey, here's some X, Y, and Z. So just go above and beyond, trying to build value. And then anybody that you answer a question to, friend request them, right? I like to send them a cold outreach, basically like an email outreach. I'm gonna friend request them. I like to send a video and then a summary of, if you can do a video of their question, this is super high level, and then answer it in a summary, and then push them back to your Facebook group, you're already gonna get their email address, because in your terms, you're gonna have them on your email address, and then give them something of value, something free, some kind of lead magnet or incentive for your Facebook, right? Or for your Facebook group. And then, so just right there in your bio, So I'm gonna push them to the group, right? And then we're gonna start doing cold outreach and then video summary. Anybody that likes your stuff, you can do friend requests. Just try not to be spammy. So try and always lead with value. So here's another sneaky, snake in the grass here. So meetup groups and like Toastmasters or small business groups. So just look up small business groups. I'm super fond of meetup groups, especially before the pandemic. They were extremely live. I was in Tampa, Florida, trying to learn Facebook ads in like 2015. And there was probably like 100, 150 of us all in this library. And 75% of the people had no idea, how to run Facebook ads. It was predominantly drop shipping, but they knew that I was an authority figure. I showed up all the time and I answered questions. And then, finally, just like person after person, they were like, hey, can you look at this? Can you do this? Can you do that? And then it came to the fact that I was like, hey, I'm doing way more than, I should actually start charging these people. And these people already knew that they had the problem. Just like in the Facebook groups, they're already aware because they're already here. They already knew they had the problem, and then all I had to do was provide them with the solution. But if you keep showing up over and over every day, if you keep showing up over and over and people start, seeing your face and your name, they're gonna click your profile, they're gonna get your lead magnet, or push you to your Facebook group, and you're gonna get their email address, and then you can keep following up. The money is in the follow-up. But after time, I guarantee, if you do this for a week to 2 weeks, people are gonna start noticing you. The whole goal of this is to build like, know, and trust, and obviously fill up your profile with video and value posts on your topic. It doesn't matter if you're doing keto or anything else, just health, wealth, or relationship, and then niche down basically. Hey, I'm doing marketing, and then my niche would be SEO, and then be white hat SEO, and then whatever, right? It could be backlinks, but like niche down some, and then become an authority figure in that niche. So If you have any questions, do me a huge favor and leave them down below, and I will make another video trying to help you as much as possible. This is day 1 of Jarvis.ai Intensified. Let's jump over to day 2.